Good afternoon, lovely people. Hope you all are doing well. So I want to start off interaction between the community I'm drawing and myself, get an idea of who the people are I'm being shown to. I have these 3 pieces of wood that I want to get your opinion on what you possibly want to see out of it. This one I'm gonna make a drumstick out of for my first comment. You're a homie. And then these 2 I saved from the firewood pile. I have no idea what it is. If somebody can possibly identify it, would be massively appreciated. I left the bark on slightly for this one for the identification. These are similar, the same piece of wood. This is just cut freshly. Any suggestions, ideas, or just straightforward something snarky to say, you're more than welcome. Feel free. Peace be with you all. Have a good one.